All right, what's going on, Radiant family? I'm Matt Fraser, and I'm going to be teaching you how to relieve the pressure of a normal bathroom sink in case you are experiencing any backups or any slow drainage. Okay, usually the common factors are normal wear and tear, which include toothpaste, lotion, makeup, and hair. Okay, first thing we're going to go ahead and do is remove this centerpiece here. To do so, most of them don't just pull out, okay? So what we're gonna have to do is go back here, look for this screw in the back of the P-trap. All right, you're gonna grab yourself a pair of channel locks. That way we have the right tool, that way we can get the right torque, and we can unscrew this back piece, okay? Once you release the pressure, you can do it by hand. All right, and then once you undo this, all you gotta do is pull it out. Okay. All right, grab the top piece here, pull the bottom part out, and then release, okay? Now, if you have water sitting in the bowl before you do that, you're gonna wanna siphon that out with a shop vac or some type of device that will get rid of that water for you, okay? Now, once that's done, we can come up, make sure we have the right equipment here. We have our latex gloves for sanitation reasons. We have our protection gloves, that way we don't get torn up by the cable. And then we have our sink snake, okay? You can get this off of Amazon or Home Depot or Lowe's or any home improvement store for about $30 to $40, depending on where you go. Now, this is a manual hand crank snake, okay? You're gonna hold it with your least dominant hand in the front, and then you're gonna rotate it for the torque of the actual snake. Now, to make it go forward and backward, you're actually gonna have to pull it by hand and push it back in by hand as well, okay? This is not a motorized or electrical equipment. All right, so we have this out of the way. All right, we have our opening down there. Now, you're still seeing some debris in the line, all right? So the first thing you have to do is put the snake down the drain line, okay? But every time you do that, push it forward with the machine. That way you know what's going on, okay? Go as far as you can, and then you're gonna have to crank it down to see if we can get through that loop, all right? All right, we're still going. Pull it back and keep pushing through. All right. Crank it down as best you can. And then just keep pushing, and then crank it down. Pull back, push down, crank it through. All right, once you see the water in the sink bowl go down, you can pull it back and push it back into the snake, okay? You might have some debris on there, so you might want to have a couple of paper towels ready. That way you can wipe off your snake and stay sanitary, okay? Pull it back in until you fully come out. Now, if you have anything on the end here, you're gonna want to dispose of that, or at least cover it up with a paper towel. That way we know that we're staying sanitary, okay? Once all is said and done, check in there, check the flow. And if you have flow like this, then we are a go. And that is how you use a manual hand snake. All right, I hope you found this video informative. My name is Matt, and I'll see you next time.